Pretty amazing, huh? Mike O'Brien, your getaway guy at Niagara Falls State Park, the oldest state park in the United States. Today's getaway, a boat ride on board the iconic Maid of the Mist. Come on.
I would strongly suggest you get here nice and early. It gets pretty busy this time of year. Now, you'll grab your tickets at these very cool green kiosks. Adults, $30.25. Kids 6 to 12, $19.75, 5 and under are free. You're going to be riding the observation tower all the way down to the Niagara River's edge, and that's where you'll be boarding the all-electric Maid of the Mist boats. This is where you'll also get your blue ponchos. They're lovely, and you will definitely need it because you do get wet. I suggest the upper deck for the full experience on board the Maid of the Mist, as you get a little bit closer and closer to the remarkable falls, Niagara Falls. This is quite a ride. People come from everywhere. The sights are pretty incredible. A vantage point of Niagara Falls like no other. I mean, you can't even compare it to anything else around. You'll go past the Bridal Veil Falls, of course, Prospect Point, and then eventually right up to the Horseshoe Falls. 600,000 gallons of water crashing down around you every second. It's incredible. The mist will cool you down on this very hot summer getaway. The ride is 20 minutes long. There are two 600-passenger boats departing every 15 minutes. Go to their website, maidofthemist.com, to learn more. You can get your tickets online, or you can get them right there at the attraction itself, maidofthemist.com, fully ADA accessible, which is great. Now, after you're done getting off the boat, then and I'm telling you, what a trip. And you'll think the 20 minutes went fast because it's so breathtaking. But then it's eventually back up the elevators to the observation deck of the huge observation tower. And from there, you'll be able to get more outstanding views of Niagara Falls. It's quite the view from up there as well. maidofthemist.com for more necessary information, maidofthemist.com. I was there on one hot day last week, and I got to tell you, it was just incredible, and it felt so good. But there are a lot of people after 9 o'clock in the morning, so highly recommend you get there early. I would get to the parking lot at the state park by about 8 or 8:30, and then by the time you get to the boat for Maid of the Mist, it's around 9 o'clock. First one goes out, and you'll see the throngs coming up behind you. Get there early. That's my travel tip, and I think you'll really, really enjoy this getaway right in the middle of this very hot summer. Coming up next, you're probably going to be hungry after Niagara Falls, so I've got a great restaurant for you to stop at. It's in Buffalo, and I hope you like pizza. This is an award-winning pizza place. You got to hear about it. I went. I loved it. I'm going to go back. That's coming up in 30 seconds. Don't go away. Thanks, Paris Heating and Cooling, for being a part of our show. Yes, sir. Listen, it's time to get that AC checked out, and they'll do a good job. They will definitely check it out to make sure the rest of the summer is comfortable for you, or maybe you even need a new AC system, or maybe you're looking at a new furnace for the upcoming winter. Check it out with Paris Heating and Cooling. I've been a customer for quite a few years. ParisHeatCool.com, that's their website, or give them a call, 227-4512. That's Paris Heating and Cooling.
Now, back to the show. You're leaving Niagara Falls. You're hungry. You want to stop and get something to eat. I suggest stopping here in Buffalo, Delaware Avenue to be exact. And this place that continually gets award after award. Hope you're in the mood for some pizza. This is Jay's.
Jay's Artisan Pizzeria. They were just ranked number 4 in the United States by a top Italian pizza guide. 2 types of pizza, wood-fired Neapolitan and Detroit style. Both are excellent. I ordered the Regina Margherita Neapolitan, $19, quality buffalo mozzarella and San Marzano tomatoes and basil. Boy, was it good. Fresh, light, fluffy crust. Outstanding pizza with a nice glass of Tuscan Red. You are good to go. Authentic pizza with a modern flair. Contemporary stylish design inside. I think you'll like the property quite a bit. They open at 4 o'clock. Open Tuesday through Saturday from 4 to 8 p.m. Highly recommend you get there at 4 o'clock. Jay's Artisan Pizzeria in Buffalo, 2872 Delaware Avenue in Kenmore. There's no phone, no reservations. Just get there by 4 o'clock so you don't have to wait in line. They pack them in. And so when you're heading home from the getaway of Maid of the Mist or any attraction in the Niagara Falls region, stop by Jay's in Buffalo, Kenmore, to grab yourself something really good to eat. I truly enjoyed it, and I will be back. Coming up next, a very cool getaway during this hot summer, a very cool one for you and the whole family. It's not that far away either. Don't go away. We'll do that up next. Hey, it's fresh corn at Powers Farm Market. Yep, the fresh corn is, and boy, is it good corn. Wow, I don't know how they do it. Fresh corn at Powers Farm Market, plus everything else, live animals for the kids, fresh baked goods inside, produce, flowers, plants. It's all great. It's kind of like a little mini getaway in Pittsford, 161 Marsh Road. The Powers family invites your family to come on by. They've been doing this forever. What a nice little place to have near us. Powers Farm Market, 161 Marsh Road in Pittsford. I think you're going to like it, and the kids will too. Hey, this morning I went over for breakfast to Jim's on Main. I'm becoming a regular. Okay, I'll admit it. 785 East Main Street, breakfast and lunch. They're just down from the Auditorium Theater. Good breakfast. You'll see somebody you know there, no doubt about it. Coffee refills, your cup will never go empty. Trust me. Remember, it's cash only. They do have an ATM machine on site, but they're open every day. Jim's on Main, 785 East Main Street for breakfast or lunch. You're going to love Jim's. I certainly do. You know, we always do a travel question of some sort, and today is no different than any other. And today, our question comes from Larry and Joyce from Webster, and they write, "Dear Getaway Guy, can you recommend a cool summertime getaway? Maybe a day trip to get out of the heat. Boy, it has been hot." Yes, I definitely can. 20 stories below the earth, where it's always 52 degrees. That should cool you down. A New York State vacation classic, Howe Caverns, Schoharie County, about 2.5 hours out of Rochester, is a very cool getaway and has been since 1929. Howe Caverns. I was down there not too long ago. Hasn't changed. It's probably a good thing. HoweCaverns.com is their website. It's a very cool getaway, and I would highly recommend that. 52 degrees all the time, and they're opened year-round. Go to their website, HoweCaverns.com. If you have a travel question, like the good folks from Webster did, or even a travel suggestion, email me at MikeTheGetawayGuy@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you. And if you love thick Sicilian-style pizza, may I highly recommend Nino's Pizzeria. Yep, I've been a customer of theirs for, I can't tell you how many years, because it would age me terribly. Sicilian pizza, boy, is it good. Wow. And everything they put on top is fresh. It's not out of a can. It's not out of a jar. It's fresh. This is the way it's always been done at Nino's at 1330 Culver Road. They continue to do it to this day. They do deliver Grubhub, DoorDash. I like going in. It's really one of those hole in the walls that not a lot of people know about. Nino's, 1330 Culver Road, near Merchants. I want to say thank you very much, Fairport Public Library. The people of Fairport came out and we did a little travel presentation, as I do, to many different groups and libraries. And I just want to thank the people of Fairport and definitely the Fairport Public Library for having me. It was a nice crowd, and we had a great hour of fun. If your library or group is interested in a Getaway Guy travel presentation, email me at MikeTheGetawayGuy@gmail.com, and we'll talk all about all the details. MikeTheGetawayGuy@gmail.com. Thanks again to Powers Farm Market. Fresh corn, yum. Is it good at Powers, and everything else that they do. And they have some baked goods inside that you just won't believe. It'll be hard to leave. It really will. It's always a fun day at Powers. The kids love it too. Always something to do and something to buy. 161 Marsh Road. I love those homemade baked goods too. And they have donuts as well. And the pies are to die for. Powers Farm Market. Check them out at 161 Marsh Road. Thanks very much, Powers, for being a part of our show. And thanks, Paris Heating and Cooling. They too have been a part of our show. They've been family owned and operated for 35 years, taking care of your heating and cooling needs. And boy, with this summer, you might want to get the AC checked out or tuned up so it lasts, throughout the rest of this hot summer. Paris Heating and Cooling, 227-4512. Thanks to Paris. Thanks to Powers. Thanks to Jim's on Main. Thanks to Nino's, Joe here at Classy Wolf Media. And thank you for coming along for the ride. Remember to like us and follow us so you never miss a show. Until next time, I'm Mike O'Brien, your Getaway Guy.